In this video, we will be talking about AWS SageMaker Canvas. As we know, Canvas is a automated platform by AWS where we don't need to write any code, but we can build our ML models, we can deploy them, and we can train them also. So AWS SageMaker Canvas empowers anyone to build, train, and test a machine learning model without writing a single line of code. So those who are not aware about the coding, they can also use AWS SageMaker. With SageMaker, we can import data from S3 or any other source. Even we can upload data from our local machine. We can build an AI/ML model. We can access the model performance. We can perform inference and generate predictions also using AWS SageMaker Canvas, and we can also export model to SageMaker Studio. So let us start with the Amazon SageMaker Canvas. So for using Canvas, I have logged in into my AWS account. From the services, select machine learning. From machine learning, select AWS SageMaker. Then click on Studio. Then this domain is already created, or if it is not created, you can create a new domain also. For me, it is already created, so I'll click on Open Studio. Next, click on Canvas. So here I can see many options are there. We can prepare our data, we can train our model, we can predict the outcome, we can automate the workflows using the Canvas. So just click on Run Canvas. It will take some time to boot up. So system is showing me that this could take up to 8 minutes. So we need to wait for some time. Once our Canvas is active, we will resume. So in the meantime, our Canvas is being uploaded over here. So in the meantime, our Canvas is getting started over here. We will try to upload some data in our S3 bucket. For that, click on Amazon SageMaker link. Go to S3 services. So we can see here this bucket is already created for us. This bucket I have created, and while I have created my Canvas, this bucket is created for me. For creating a bucket, you can watch my previous video also. I'll give link in the description box. So just click on this. I'm going to upload my data set in this bucket. So I'll just upload the data set. Click on upload, add files. So currently I'm uploading a height weight data set. I have downloaded it from Kaggle. I'll give its link in the description box. You can download it too. So I have added my data set over here. Click on upload. So succeeded and close it. So I have uploaded SOCR height weight data set over here. I'll just see what is there in this data set. This is my data set that I have uploaded in my S3 bucket. It is showing me first attribute as index, second one is height in inches, third one is weight in pounds. So what I'm trying to do is I am going to input my height and then it will predict the weight. So this is obviously a linear regression model. So I'll be predicting a weight using the height, and this particular attribute index I won't require this, so I won't include it while doing the prediction. So height is my independent variable, whereas weight is my dependent variable. Height is given in inches and weight is given in pounds. So let us see if the Canvas has started. Canvas is still starting, so we will wait for some more time to see when Canvas gets started. So after a few minutes, we can see that Canvas has started. Its status is running. We will just open the Canvas. So it is also used to generate and extract summarized content, but currently we are interested in creating a custom model. So just click on create custom model. So I'm using this default name only, and since we will be using it for predictive analysis, select this option only. The other options available are image analysis, text analysis, and fine tune of the foundation model. but currently we are interested in predictive analysis. So select that and click on create. Now we are supposed to create a dataset over here. So just click on create dataset. I'm using the default name. Click on create. So here we can see many options are there. We have got local upload, Amazon S3, Athena, Databricks, and many other options are there from where we can get the data. So currently I'm using Amazon S3, as we have uploaded our dataset here in SageMaker AP South bucket. This one, SOCR height weight CSV, we have uploaded this dataset. We'll be using this one. So just select it. We can see this dataset is there, index column is there, height in inches is there, weight in pounds is there. So based upon the height, we are going to predict the weight. So select this particular dataset, click on create dataset. Once you click on create dataset, you can see here this exclamation mark is there, invalid column names. So we need to rename these two columns. So what I'll do is I'll just remove the brackets, height in inches. So I'll just remove the closing parenthesis also, and then similar thing is over here also. So I'll do weight in pounds. So I'll just remove this closing parenthesis also. So we can see our data set is ready to use. Weight in pounds. So just press enter and click on create dataset. So this processing is taking place. Our dataset is getting ready for using. So after a few seconds we can see it is ready to use. Then click on select dataset. Just select this dataset and press the button select dataset in the corner. Now it is asking us select a column to predict. Here whatever column I want to predict, I'll select it. So currently I am interested in predicting the weight column. So I'll select weight in pounds. We can see a graph is also there, and I don't want to include this index column, so I'll just uncheck it. I do not want to include the index column, so I'll just uncheck it. So drop column index, I have already dropped it. So now this is showing me weight in pounds. So just click on quick build. It may take some time, so it may take 1 or 2 minutes. So we'll resume after that. So after a few minutes, our model is created. We can see here it is showing me almost a straight line. So instance value at different points is being located, and impact is also, we are getting a good value in impact. So that means we are getting a good correlation value over here, and it's a linear regression model. So we will use it now to predict. So there are two options, batch prediction and single prediction. In batch prediction, we need to upload data. So currently, but I am interested in single prediction only. So I'll click on single prediction and I'll try to predict the value. So it is showing me height in inches. If 67 inches is height, then weight is 125. Say if I enter a height of 60 inches, that is near about 5 feet. So for an input of 60 inches, we need to update this. So we are getting here weight in pounds, that is approximately 109 in this case. So if you want to do another prediction, you can change the values here and then get another prediction by clicking on the update button. If we are happy with the model, then we can deploy it also. But currently we are just building the basic models. So that is how we build a particular model, and we can see here error values also. Mean square error is 103.163, and root mean square value is 10.157. So error rates are not quite high, so we have built an optimum model. So that is how we build a model in Canvas. I'll give you one more model to build. I'll give its dataset link in the exercise. So you can use this particular dataset, salary dataset, to create a model. So here the attributes that are given are age, gender, education, job title, years of experience and salary. So based upon these two attributes, a model can be built, age and years of experience. This particular model can be built. I'll provide this dataset link in the description box. So please make it. And that's all for the canvas. Once our model is created, just go back to the previous tab and stop the canvas. Otherwise, you will have to pay extra if canvas is kept in running mode. That's all for today.